Today on our Traveler TV Spotlight, we are going to take you to an area of Arizona that's all about history, culture, and outdoor fun. And to share all about it is my co-host of Traveler TV, Glenn Scarpelli. Hi, Glenn.
Hey, Kari, so happy to be with you. And I gotta say, in the spotlight today is Prescott, Arizona. I just love this area. It has true West and real adventure. Check this out.
Today on Traveler TV, we're taking you to the true West, Prescott, Arizona. Hi, I'm Glenn Scarpelli, and I'm on Whiskey Row in a city that's considered to be one of Arizona's jewels. Prescott offers a variety of real adventure, unique shopping, dining, and authentic Western heritage. Now let's catch up with Ann Stewart, Prescott's tourism manager, to learn so much more.
Thanks, Glenn, and you're absolutely correct. We take pride in being a city of true West and real adventure. I'm coming to you today from the historic Yavapai County Courthouse Plaza. Prescott is fortunate to have this grand courthouse as the center point of our city. We encourage everyone to start your journey on Whiskey Row and specifically at the Western Heritage Center. It's a one-stop shop and absolutely free to learn about our rich Western history. Explore even more at our museums, Charlotte Hall, the Phippen, and the Museum of Indigenous People. You'll also find a comfy bed in one of our beautiful hotels. Accommodations that are charming, quaint, and perfect Arizona hospitality. Here in Prescott, you'll also fulfill your appetite. As far as food and drinks go, we know you'll find the perfect combination. There's literally something for everyone, all mixed in with Prescott personality. Did you know we're home to the world's oldest rodeo? It's still going on, and you can experience it around every 4th of July. We're also Arizona's Christmas city, so from late November to mid-January, you can experience all the holiday festivities. And now I'd like to introduce you to my team member, Christina Binkley, who will take us to the great outdoors.
Thanks, Ann. We are here with Christina, and we're about to do one of my most favorite things, kayaking.
It's gonna be a fun day for sure.
Oh my gosh, I'm already having fun. Christina, tell us where we're gonna be kayaking.
Today we're kayaking at Watson Lake, known to be one of the stars of Arizona. Get in shape, relax, or just have some fun in our mile-high outdoor playground. Prescott definitely means real adventure.
Yes, I'm experiencing that right now.
Visitors come back year after year to enjoy our breathtaking landscapes and wide open spaces. You can hike, bike, and recreate on over 470 miles of multi-use trails. Llama tours are also an option. Yeah, you heard me right. We invite everyone to experience Prescott. Remember that we are the true West with real adventure.
Thank you to you and Ann, Christina. I had so much fun.
Thank you, Glenn. It really was our pleasure. I had a blast too.
Yes, and there's so much to do. I feel like we just scratched the surface. You know, Prescott sits at an elevation of 5,200 feet, just a short trip north of Phoenix, but so much cooler in the summer. It hosts 4 distinct and beautiful seasons. Remember, there's a little piece of Arizona paradise waiting for you right here in Prescott. Hope to see you here soon. Hey, let's go look at those llamas.
Let's go.
I want to see them.
Oh my goodness, Glenn. I know you well enough to know how much you absolutely love kayaking. That was beautiful.
Yes, I know, pinch me on those days when I call that work, because I do love kayaking, especially on Watson Lake. You know, Watson Lake is so gorgeous, as you saw, one of the jewels of Arizona. And really, Prescott is a jewel of Arizona in its entirety. We highly recommend a springtime travel adventure in Prescott.
And for everything to see and do in Prescott, go to experienceprescott.com.